How to use an Instagram broadcast channel. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use an Instagram broadcast channel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Which is really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our Instagram app right here. So let's click on that. And in here you can see our Instagram. So what we need to do is if you have a creator that you follow, so for example this person right here, as you can see I follow this person, and as you can see they have a broadcast channel. So you can use that by clicking on this, and once you click on their channel you can click on join right here in order to join their channel. So once you have joined their channel you can see the latest update on their channel, and as you can see they also interact right here. Now once you have that, you can head over to your inbox right here, and in here you will have the option for channels. So click on channels, and as you can see I can now see the channel that I have recently joined into. Now if I want to create an Instagram channel for myself, I can just click on this edit icon right here, or this pencil icon, and then I can just add people right here on this channel right here, and then after that I can now create my own. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use an Instagram broadcast channel. If you have guys or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.